Hello and welcome to another edition of ProtoMet Tries, and in today's video I'm going to be trying Boom Chika Pop white cheddar popcorn because I am continuing on with this Boom Chika Pop marathon. Let's see, let's get this open. Oh right, the last couple times have been kind of a pain in the butt. Not this time. Alright, let's go. May not be as satisfying as tearing it open, but even right now I can smell the cheddar scent. It's faint, but I can still smell it. Yep. That is a cheesy flavor, or scent. Although I will admit that it does have a bit of an off scent to it. Part of me wants to say stinky cheese, but it just might be a more pungent cheddar scent to it than normal. But looks like a normal popcorn, and it leaves behind some powder on my finger. That is definitely the white cheddar. And smell aside, the taste is spot on. It's got a nice white cheddar taste to it. Yeah, this one's solid. So far, of the three that I've tried, this one has been the top in terms of taste. Well, the sea salt one was perfectly fine if you wanted a standard popcorn. The sweet and salty kettle corn is fine if you like kettle corn, or you know, a light caramel corn, which okay, but this has got a damn good taste to it. Although I'm sure one drawback is that at some point my fingers are going to get sticky from having so much cheese and licking them off. But they will be deliciously sticky. So I can't really complain too much. This is solid and worth checking out. I can't stop eating. These are that good. But I must tear myself away in order to continue on with this video. So, well, I guess continue on is a bit of a misnomer. I'm actually ending the video because check those out. They're really good. And until next time, this has been me, ProtoMet. See ya!